Right, so just a little short video. I was up at JP's yesterday collecting some LT230 housings. What the hell was that? And I took this up and we were discussing about this modification to put the bigger bearings in, like these two rear bearings. And I've got two bearings coming, but I took in the drawings and things like this of what the bearings should be and the dimensions. And we looked at it for a little while, and it seems quite feasible. And we came up with an idea. We banged our heads together and we said, yeah, if you do this, do that, the other, we can use the original pump, which is pretty exciting, really. Well, it is for me. But what I need from you guys, if you're in the US or Canada, is a scrap housing, so we can play around with it. Now, this is Bill's here. I'm going to embarrass him because this has been here over a year now and it's still not been done. Well, he hasn't come up with the parts yet. But anyway, I don't want to use this one. I don't want to use this one because it's an experiment. So if you've got one of these R380 housings, I don't care if the lugs have bust off, your dog's been chewing it, it's been crushed by anything. But what we need is a housing so we can play with it and see if this experiment is going to work. I'm 99% sure it's going to work, all right? And it would make life a lot easier for all of us. So that's the news. If you've got a R3, not an LT77, different ball game altogether. But if you've got one that's scrap, please let me know. britrest@britrest.com, put my address here, and then you can get back to me. And I'll pay for the shipping, I don't care about that. It's just that I just need a busted housing. All right? Thanks very much.